So basically what is the topic is all about, how to install Windows in a PC or a laptop. So to do so, we have to perform these three steps. So first we have to have a pen drive that we have to make it bootable. So to make it a bootable pen drive, we have to do two things over here. One is to make it partition. So once the partition has been done, then we have to do the formatting. So once the two of them have been done, then we will be calling as it is a bootable pen drive. Okay. So these steps we will be doing by the help of the CFD command that we have to perform manually. So we are having a user and she is going to type the CFD commands manually. So we will be starting from the first step. So you have to press Windows plus R to pop up this run window, and you have to type this part. This is DISKPART. Everything will be in small cases, and you have to hit enter, and it will be, you have to do yes prompt. Yes.
अरे इधर से साइड
Okay. And you have to Windows and right arrow. So by the help of this, we are having two split screens. One we can see the codes, and other window we can write the codes. Okay. So first code we have to write here is list disk, LIST space DISK. So and hit enter. So what we can see over here is, so we can list all the disks that have been physically present in the system, that is being connected to the system. So disk 0 is the hard disk that we are talking about, and this is being partitioned into C drive, D drive in our laptops and PCs. And here the disk 1 is the pen drive that we have inserted, that is of 32 GB, and the remaining 3 GB is a reserved memory, that is the space that is used by the operating system. So now the second step here is to select the pen drive. So for that we have to write the command, that is select space disk space 1, because disk 1 is the bootable pen drive. Okay, space 1. Okay, hit enter. So once the command has been matching, so we have to move further. Okay, so now we have to write the command, that is clean. To clean whatever is inside the pen drive, we have to clean that. Okay, so once we have written this clean command, so we have to wait. Yes. Now what we have to do here is, so we have to, once we have done that, so we have to make this pen drive. First step is to make it partition. So partition is nothing but the memory is in a form of unallocated space. So we have to fence the boundary. So we have to make this unallocated as an allocated space by creating a boundary that we call it as, in technical terms, as a partitioning. So once the partitioning we have to for that we have to write the command, that is create partition primary. Okay, partition primary, this is a command to do the fencing part. Okay, so you have to hit enter. So once we have hit this command and hit this enter, so now what we have to write here is, so we have created the partition primary. So now what we have to do here is, we have to select that partition 1 that we have been created. SCLE you are writing SCLE select space partition PARTITION space 1. Okay. So by the help of these two commands, create partition primary and select partition 1, we have done the partition part, and now we have to do the formatting part. And to do that formatting part, we have to write the only statement, the only command, that is format space fs. Fs means file system, it is a short form, and equals to we have to write, and then we have to write, we don't have to write FAT32. In place of FAT32 we have to write NTFS, because in the previous class I have told you about the evolution of Windows, and there if the Windows version is lesser than XP, then we have to use FAT32, and if the versions are above XP, then we have to use NTFS, that is a new type file system, and we have to format it in a quick way. So we are writing the command as quick. So it will be formatting the pen drive in a quick manner. Okay. So we have to hit enter again, and we have to wait for the meanwhile till it gives till it formats 100%. Okay. ठीक है.